Character AI chat errors can occur for various reasons, ranging from server-side issues to local connectivity problems. This video will see how you can fix it. First, you need to check the character.ai status on the Down Detector website. You can simply see everything on the screen how we are doing it. First, you can check the character website that it is down or not. If it's open, if it's working, then you can refresh or restart the website. Sometimes the session has some glitches which helps you to fix it. If after refreshing everything is still facing the same errors and require a lot of things, then you can restart your computer or you can clear cache and cookies on the screen. How you can do it, if it depends on your browser, simply on the Brave browser, just simply click on the three dots button. Here you can see cookie data, just delete it simply and then refresh your website. It may fix the error. You can try out different browsers. If you're on Chrome, you can try Firefox. If you're on Firefox, you can try Edge. There are stuff browser you can try out. After that, all of this, if the still error remains, you can check your internet connection, your internet speed. If it's still not working, you can disable some extension or ad blocker. This will how you can solve the character AI problems, which will help you to use it easily. Cacti is a creative website that uses AI characters to talk to you, and it's a great website.